Hi, I'm Susanna Cole, co-author of Flexible Mindsets in Schools and a student success consultant and trainer. I partner with schools to rethink how we educate students to ignite a deeper love of learning that will future-proof them for the world of tomorrow. I am so glad you found me, and I'm guessing it's because you're tired of professional development that promises growth, but fizzles out amongst the competing demands of the day-to-day grind of teaching. Ultimately, you end up back where you started the next year, wondering what's missing and how to support your teachers to create the kind of equitable change that actually leads to improved student outcomes. Well, I know one of the big missing pieces, and that's why I'm excited you're here and ready to engage your staff in training specifically designed to begin the transformation of your school into what you've always envisioned as possible. The secret missing ingredient in most traditional teaching training is establishing a strong foundation for change that generates a culture of learning and growth. I do this by building flexible mindsets. A flexible mindset creates the conditions for students to dig into their learning and improve by equipping them with the self-awareness to figure out how their unique brain learns, the essential tools and strategies to accomplish their goals, and the framework for how to use feedback so they can improve and build their confidence through deliberate practice. A flexible mindset is the opposite of fixed mindset and so much more than a growth mindset. It's a way of being and a practical set of tools that equip students to be resilient, creative, compassionate problem solvers, no matter what life throws their way. Is this what you've always wanted for your students? I've been working in the field of education for over 25 years in various roles, from classroom teacher to one-to-one learning support to college professor and executive function coach. And in that time, I've seen it all. I've tried the systems, learned the theories, and there's always felt like something was missing. So we created the concept of flexible mindsets. Today, I get to spend my time with students, teachers, administrators, and parents, co-creating vibrant cultures of learning where students can bring all of themselves to learning and every student can thrive. If you are tired of professional development being a patchwork of quick fixes that never create the kind of sustainable change you know your school needs to truly future-proof your students, I want to talk to you.